This is my friend from church, Jeff Nace. He loves hunting. He's in the field just about every weekend during hunting season. This is Carl Healy. He's 13, but he's taken 4 coyotes in the last 3 months. He's doing quite well this season. This stand is first thing in the morning. You can see the sun just coming up there in the east. We'd called for 3 or 4 minutes and 2 coyotes approached on Carl's side. Jeff Nace is seated to my right watching the coyotes as well. One of the coyotes runs in front of us from left to right. This coyote is about 250 yards out and circling downwind to try to get our scent. You'll hear Jeff stop the coyote with a bark just before he's about to disappear in the sagebrush. Oops, that one got away from us. I was unable to capture the second coyote on video. We stopped for a few minutes to observe the Snake River between Hammett and Bruno. You can hear the pumps at the pump station that lift irrigation water to the farmland above. A couple of weeks ago, we spotted some wild turkeys, so I jumped out of the truck and captured them on video. I've discovered that filming predators coming to the call is much more difficult than firing the rifle at them. In the next video clip, Carl is waiting for me to get the camera rolling, and when I finally get it rolling, all I capture is video of a coyote sniffing the collar and running away. He gets away without a shot being fired. I'm embarrassed to say it, but this is our first attempt at videotaping a coyote coming to the call, and it didn't work out so well.
Get him. Let him go. There's another one over here on the left. Right over here, bud. Right here where I'm pointing. Get ready.
This still photo is from an interesting stand a week ago. A coyote appeared on the ridge right across from us and charged straight into the call. I was positioning my rifle and watching the coyote advance toward us when Carl fired his rifle. The coyote pivoted and ran sideways across the stand. He disappeared in the brush as we fired 3 or 4 more shots at him. When the dust settled, I told Carl he should have waited for that coyote to get closer to us before firing. He had a weird look on his face and he said, "Dad, that stand was a double. My first shot connected with one of the coyotes and it went down. There's one down out there." I did not see the coyote that he shot, so we packed up our gear and walked out into the field. We walked quite a distance, and sure enough, we found the coyote that you see in this still picture. I couldn't believe how far it was, so I grabbed the laser rangefinder and lasered back to where we were sitting. It was 252 yards. Nice shot, Carl.